Which of the following polyatomic ions is not paired with its correct formula? A. Nitrate, B. Borate, C. Carbonate, or D. Chlorate? The correct answer is A. The correct formula for nitrate is NO3 with a -1 charge. Names and formulas of polyatomic ions are trivial information. In other words, you just need to memorize them as part of the basic vocabulary of chemistry. Whether or not your teacher requires you to memorize them, it's a good idea to just memorize them. Here are some strategies that you can use for memorization. Refer to a list of names and formulas. Read the names and formulas aloud several times. Hearing and seeing should help you remember them better than just seeing them. Make up memory aids. Try to find patterns in the names and formulas. Work on drills such as reading or writing of formulas of compounds that require you to remember this information. Remember that if you don't use this information, you're likely to forget it. Here's an example of a memory aid to remember oxoanions that have 3 oxygen atoms, with names ending in 8. The most common ones you'll encounter are borate, which has a charge of -3, carbonate and silicate, which both have a charge of -2, and nitrate, chlorate, bromate, and iodate. Let's try to locate the elements boron, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, and iodine in the periodic table to see if we can find a pattern that might be easier to remember. Here's boron. Borate has a charge of -3. Here's carbon and silicon. Carbonate and silicate both have a charge of -2. Here's nitrogen. Chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Nitrate, chlorate, bromate, and iodate all have a charge of -1.